We got the Shanny in the video today. Come up here, Shanny, sit on Ducati, see how it feels while it's in the trailer and locked down by the pit bull restraint system that took less than 30 minutes to put in. I'm very impressed by the design. I'm not very good at wrenching, and I'm not very good at backing in small trailers. But we're gonna do it. Oh, my mans. Let's load them up, baby. Today, we're gonna install the brand new pit bull system in the trailer so we can bring some awesome content to everybody, and I'm looking forward to it. We're going riding this week. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install the pit bull system, which looks awesome. They just sent it. They actually got it here in 2 days, which was really cool. I went out and picked up a couple more 3/8 bits that I'll add to my cooler tools. Let's go check this trailer out. This. Oh, this is gonna be. Can't wait. It's gonna be such less stress. Let me grab the pit bull stuff. We gotta measure. Pull it back. More. There. Brand new pit bull restraint system. Hey, I'm not getting paid a dime for this. We're gonna keep the moto tote. I think it's a great product.
It's not made for these big boys.
For me, it'll work, but it just, like I say, this takes all the stress away after a long ride, I think, especially a tractor. One trailer restraint for a V4S, 2025, and one restraint system for a BMW SKRR. The hardest part is figuring out where we're going to have to fight. What's that word? Don't measure and drill 10 times?
Measure 10 times, drill once, or something like that.
I do the opposite. YOLO! Man's gonna go for it. Oh, I'm moving it. That's my life story.
What happened?
It got shorter. What are you laughing about? Why are you laughing at those? Those aren't supposed to be laughable. That's not funny. Why is that funny? Are you laughing at me? With me? About me? Did you know? Oh, I got a good did you know. Fred, give me the mirror.
Did you know that the Ducati V4S mirrors don't bend back very well?
But now we're faster.
Yeah, now it's more aerodynamics.
See, at least we can joke about these things.
That wasn't me though.
That was you.
No.
This is you.
No.
You just said it. This man's trying to get, this man owes me a steak dinner. You know what? Actually, I was going to take them off anyway. And it's an easy uninstall, by the way.
Yeah.
Hold on to this bracket.
2 bolts and then unplug that, good to go.
Put a hole in one of those over there. I would put one in.
Restraint on?
Yeah, it is real. It's not, it's not. I think I need to get an Allen wrench in my cooler tools.
I can go get my Allen wrenches.
You got Allen wrenches?
Yeah.
Oh, man's got Allen wrenches. Where?
My toolbox.
You got a toolbox.
Yeah, Grandpa.
Go film his toolbox. Oh, yeah.
It's my secret toolbox.
Here, just spin it, spin it. I'm gonna let you spin. I'm gonna tell you. Yeah, keep spinning. You'll tighten it eventually.
Yeah, I'll tighten it eventually.
Keep spinning.
You gonna put the bolt on for me?
This man was sitting there spinning, and the first thing he says, like, it's not tightening. Dude, you get your freaking young ass under the trailer. This is BS. Did he just... where does walrus come? You push this thing down.
It's not a big cap.
Goes a go balls. Nope. Yep.
There it is.
Let's get this thing extended. Why are you laughing? You want me to break out the big ratchet? We have that on
That
film.
little thing.
Man. Check out my Instagram, Chili1, @Chili1. Really cool, easy install. This is so far. This is really cool. Really impressive with these pit bulls. I've seen them in other people's trailers. It's really cool, but now when you have your own, definitely some smart. These are smart dudes making these things. Holy, how cool is this? So we'll take the pin out. And then we're gonna see if we did the measuring correct. How cool.
Aft, starboard side. Well, I'm not into it. Hold on.
You guys comment down below if we shouldn't have it this much staggered. I don't think it's gonna affect it. I'm not planning on going over 60, 65 down the road. I'm not in a hurry going wherever I go. You already in, Bo?
Yeah, we pop these in now. Go to the, just slightly to the right, slightly to the right. Alright, that's good. Damn.
That's in.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh. I mean, it's scary cool. And look at how much room we have. This is a 6x10 trailer. And I was worried about the room. This is why I have it staggered, but we can, even if we mess up or if anything goes, we have lots of room to keep moving the backing plates.
Not bad.
I'll mark the front wheel. Bro,
Not bad at all.
Pitbull, you killing the game. I'm gonna mark both wheels with the Sharpie. And we got the Shanster, my girl. The bikes look awesome, and the trailer looks awesome, and my kids look awesome, and I'm still fat.
True.
Turtle. Now she called me a turtle.
I said true. I said true.
You call me a turtle. You call me a walrus, and you call me a turtle.
I don't think a turtle's that bad. A walrus is worse.
I said true. I never called you a turtle. You said you were fat, and I said true.
Yeah, but the pop still has game.
What, a game? Playing like a walrus? At least you got big tusks.
Oh, thanks, man. I wish Mom was here. I think that may just put this, I'll put a couple D-rings up front. But we're gonna take this to Ducati Sanford, and Brett's gonna get an Acura exhaust, and that thing is gonna go. This guy. First time he's ever driven a little baby trailer, but still, these baby trailers are actually harder. If he sticks this, man. No way. He just, man, stuck it. Pissed me off. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I saw the steering wheel doing it all by itself. He's using that little freaking knob. He figured it out. Busted. I'm gonna get up here and see. Those windows aren't tinted. They're not tinted enough yet. They're not tinted enough yet. I saw that wheel spinning. You figured that thing out. Oh, it's gone. This truck has all kinds of fancy stuff, but I don't know how to use it yet. Look, we just drove back and forth to Sanford, 45 miles.
Oh, that's already out.
Oh, now 5 hours back. There you go, isn't that cool? Why I didn't do this a long time ago, I don't know. We're going places, we're gonna have a blast. Naples first, Miami, maybe the Keys. My daughter's getting married. After all that, we're rocking and rolling. Have a wedding this week. I'm nervous, extremely nervous. I think I'm nervous because I gotta walk down the aisle. I'm gonna be crying for you too when you get married. Why you? Because you're my boy. Just don't stop riding with me.
Ain't what happened.
That's my boy. See, that's the answer you want to get. That ain't gonna happen, my man. We riding. Links to all my gear, by the way, all my AlpineStar stuff and all that stuff. Check out the links below. Not the smoky links, not the cocktail weenie links, but the links. Check them out. Like, subscribe, do all those YouTube things, and thanks for watching. Chili, oh Chili, I'm out of here.